The Orange County housing market is entering the spring season with improving activity, but rising mortgage rates are starting to influence buyer behavior. Inventory is growing, demand is increasing, and market time is tightening slightly, but affordability remains the key variable that will determine how strong this spring market becomes. First, we're going to go over the data and the numbers, and as always, end it with our guidance and advice to Orange County buyers and sellers so you know how to achieve your goals in the current real estate market. Interest rates and demand. Mortgage rates have moved from 5.99% just a few weeks ago to 6.36% today. That increase directly impacts affordability. On a $1 million loan, that is about a $240 increase in the monthly payment. Even with that increase, rates are still below last year, but this recent rise is enough to slow momentum if it continues. Now, buyer demand in Orange County is now at 1,639 pending sales. That is up 6% over the past couple of weeks, which reflects a typical seasonal increase as we approach the spring market. However, demand is still slightly below last year and remains well below pre-pandemic levels. This shows that demand is improving but remains highly sensitive to mortgage rates. If rates continue higher, demand will likely stabilize. If rates ease, there is room for demand to expand. Now, inventory. The active listing inventory has increased to 3,687 homes, up 4% in the past couple of weeks, and up 36% so far this year. This is a normal seasonal trend as more sellers enter the market heading into spring. Even with this growth, inventory remains below historical norms, which continues to limit supply. At the same time, many homeowners are still choosing to stay put due to their existing low fixed-rate mortgages. That is keeping inventory growth steady rather than rapid. The result is a market that is adding supply, but not enough to create a major shift in leverage. The expected market time is currently 67 days, which is slightly faster than just a couple of weeks ago. This indicates that demand is keeping pace with the increase in inventory. A market time in this range reflects a balanced market. Homes are selling, but not instantly, and pricing plays a major role in how quickly a home moves. Detached homes are currently selling faster at 64 days, while attached homes such as condos and townhomes are slower at 74 days. This gap highlights where buyer demand is strongest and reinforces the importance of accurate pricing based on property type. The luxury segment, defined as homes above $2.5 million, now has 900 active listings, while demand has increased slightly to 180 pending sales. With supply outpacing demand, the expected market time has increased to 150 days, which is significantly slower than the overall market. Within luxury, there is a clear separation by price point. Homes between 2.5 and 4 million are moving in about 123 days, while homes between 4 and 6 million are moving slightly faster at 111 days. However, homes above $6 million have slowed considerably, with market time increasing to 330 days. This indicates that higher price points are more sensitive to economic uncertainty and shifts in buyer confidence. Our advice to Orange County buyers and sellers. For sellers, inventory is rising and competition is increasing. The homes that are selling are the ones that are priced correctly based on current market conditions. Overpricing leads to longer market times and reduced leverage. Pricing accurately from the start is the most effective strategy in today's market. For Orange County buyers, even with the recent increase in mortgage rates, conditions are still more favorable than last year. There are more options and the market is much more balanced. However, well-priced homes are still moving quickly, especially in the detached segment. Waiting for ideal conditions can often result in missed opportunities during the spring market when competition increases the most. If you're thinking about making a move and want to understand how this applies to your specific situation, reach out to us directly. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for weekly Orange County housing updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.